Hi guys, welcome to another painting video. Again, we have to do something different. Well, first of all, I want to thank you all because a few days ago I just reached my 5,000 subscribers, so that's very nice. Even if I think that I wasn't, you know, I didn't have a specific goal. I just wanted to do my YouTube channel to prepare myself to all the trips we're going to make to the US for 5 to 6 months per year in a few, well, a year or two at the most. So anyway, that's kind of great. And of course, I think by the time you see this video, I'm going to reach 500,000 viewers. So that's damn nice. And if you think that at the exact same date last year I was at 1,500 subscribers. So anyway, thank you all, that's great. So let's go back to our painting. This time I'm gonna do again a fluid painting, but we're gonna mix some medium and dish washing soap. I think it's nice. We did it before just with the dish washing soap, but I think it's a nice change. We're going to use both of them. I think it's going to be nice. My medium is my own, as you can see the recipe. It's simple. It's only white glue, Floetrol, and a little bit of silicone. So it's not hard to make. It's very easy. 3/4 in a bottle, 3/4 of white glue, 1/4 of Floetrol, then a little bit of silicone, and that's it. You have the greatest medium, at least for me. It's subjective, but I like it. So anyway guys, I'm going to recycle painting. Not that it's not ugly, but it doesn't do nothing for me, and I don't particularly like it. And everyone seems to be on the same track as I am with this painting, so we're going to recycle it and we're going to see what happens. So let's go try it. So guys, the finish is not a big surprise. We did it before, so well, in a way it's always a surprise, but we knew we're gonna have some sales with all the products that we use, that's for sure. And I think it's a very nice result. Once again, you know, for me, the technique of the fluid pouring, I think is the best way to go, because I think the line and the colors are more defined this way. When you do a flip cup, well, listen, if you want to have more sales, you go with the flip cup technique, that's for sure. A dirty pouring, a dirty flip cup would give you a lot more sales. Even though I'm quite satisfied with the sales we have quite enough sales for my taste. I think the result is great. You know, what's happening when you do a fluid pouring like this is that the colors don't mix as much with each other than with a flip cup. So it gives you more defined line, but it's like, I cannot describe it. Well, anyway, you see it. So, I think, again, with the, maybe, you know, the dish soap gives you a little bit more satin finish with a little bit more cells, but between two colors, there's more refined detail. You know, it's graduated. You lose the color, but gradually. So I think it's nicer. Well, again, question of taste, that's for sure. But for my taste, I think it's very nice. I think that all the product that we use, like I say, it's my medium. You can use any kind of medium. It's going to do probably the same thing, maybe not exactly, of course, but it's going to do something similar. For me, like I said, it's nice. My medium is very easy. You can do it and you can keep it a long time. The important thing to remember is you have to shake well before using, because sometimes you have some big chunk that can form when you leave it on the shelves for a long time. So again, I hope you enjoy. I hope you're gonna try it, because it's kind of easy. And if you do a pouring, you should at least try it once with a dish soap and a medium. You can even do it only with dish soap. We did it before and it's very nice. So guys, like I said, I hope you like it. I hope you're gonna come back, and like always, please subscribe, leave a comment and share. It's always appreciated. See you on the next video. Take care guys. Ciao.